Friends, today we shall see adverb clause of time. But before that, we must know what adverb is. So, look at the following sentences. He comes tonight. He comes here. He comes slowly. In the first, he comes when? Tonight. He comes. How does he come? No. Where does he come? Here. Yes. Means tells a place. He comes slowly. How does he come? Slowly. So, whenever some action takes place, following things are related to it. Means what? The verb, right? So, the verb has time. Means the action has time. The action has place. The action has purpose. Without purpose, action doesn't take place. There is a reason for every action. There is condition for action. For example, when I say that I will come, and on what condition I will come? If you help me, right? So in this way, there is a condition for the action. Then there is a result. Every action has a result also. Then we compare the action. Sometimes means I write better than he writes, in this way. Then there is a contrast, means two opposing things in the same sentence. Then the manner, how, in this way, right? So whenever a clause shows these things, it is adverb clause. Today we shall see only adverb clause of time. Means the clause will show time only. For example, when you have finished your work, you may go home. You may go home. But when? Only when you have finished your work. Means this clause, when you have finished your work, tells the time of going. Means the permission actually, right? So this is the adverb clause of time. The answer is when you have finished your work. In case of adverb clause of time, we shall ask the question when. So let us take another example. Strike the iron while it is hot. Here the conjunction while shows time. And strike the iron. And what is the time of this striking the iron? When it is hot, right? So while it is hot tells you about the time of the striking of iron. That's why it is a adverb clause of time. We can ask when this question to strike the iron. Okay. So let us go to our exercise. The first one. Don't talk while she is working. Don't talk. And when? Means what is the time of it? While she is working. So while she is working is the clause. We shall underline it and put a box around talk. That is the verb. Next one. Give us a call. And when to give a call? When you get back from your trip. So when you get back from your trip should be underlined and put a box around call. That is the verb. And the underlined clause tells us about the time of this calling, right? Next is the fireworks show will start. But when? After the sun goes down, right? So after the sun goes down, this is the clause. Why it is a clause? Because after is the conjunction, the sun is the subject and goes down is the verb. So there is a subject and verb. That's why it is a sentence. That's why it is a clause. And after the sun goes down is the adverb clause of time. Why? Because it tells us about the time of starting of fireworks, right? So we shall underline after the sun goes down and put a box around start. Next one. We can swim in the pool. But when? As soon as you put on sunscreen, right? So we shall underline as soon as you put on sunscreen and then put a box around swim. Why? Because the time of swimming is definitely told in the underlined clause, right? Next one. My sister, when she is angry, will turn red in the face. See, every sentence means the complex sentences has two clauses. The one is principal clause and the another is subordinate clause. And we should identify first which is the principal clause. So here principal clause is my sister will turn red in the face, right? So what remains there? When she is angry. So we shall underline when she is angry, and it tells the time of turning red, right? So we shall put a box around turn red or will turn red in this way, right? Next one, as soon as the teacher entered the classroom, the students began to cheer. So as soon as the teacher entered the classroom, this is the subordinate clause. Why? Because there is a conjunction, subordinate conjunction, as soon as, compound conjunction. So we shall underline it and then put a box around began. Why? Because the underlined clause telling us the time of beginning, right? Next one, there was silence as the leader spoke. As the leader spoke. This should be underlined, and it is telling us the time of being silence, right? So we shall here put a box around was, right? Because here there is a state. As he came into the room, all rose to their feet. So as he came into the room should be underlined, that is the clause, and put a box around rose. Why? Because the underlined clause as he came into the room is telling us about the timing of rising, right? Next, as soon as he heard the news, he wrote to me. When did he write to me? As soon as he heard the news. So underline as soon as he heard the news and put a box around wrote, and the underlined clause is telling the time of writing, right? Next one, I have not been well since I returned from Chennai. So since when have I not been well? That is the question, and the answer is since I returned from Chennai, right? So underlined clause is since I returned from Chennai, right? And have not been